Okay, so for problem 3-21, so tinatanong sa atin is the reorder point. Kasi sabi, what level of stocks would a replenishment order be issued? So how do we compute for the reorder point? So to ensure that there will be no stockouts, we must provide for the worst scenario. So ano ba yung worst scenario na pwedeng mangyari dito? We will assume maximum delay of delivery, meaning maximum lead time, and maximum usage per day during the lead time. Okay? So, yun yung, kumbaga, maglalagay tayo ng stock of units enough for these two scenarios combined. Maximum lead time, tsaka maximum usage per day. So, the reorder point, therefore, is maximum lead time times maximum usage per day. So that's 18 days times 95 units of maximum sales per day. So the answer for the first question is 1,710. Continuing the analysis, yung second question, we are asked to compute for the maximum level of stocks possible. So for this scenario, we will assume minimum delay of delivery or minimum lead time and minimum usage per day during the lead time. Okay? So kasi, ang hinahanap kasi is yung maximum level of stocks na pwede daw maabot. So para ma-compute yon is kailangan mo munang hanapin yung level of stocks na highest na pwede nating maabot bago dumating yung in-order natin. Okay? I don't know if I constructed that sentence clearly, no? So, ang dapat mong hanapin, kasi di ba pag umorder ka, hindi naman on the same day ng order, dadating yung items. So, ang mangyayari is merong delay, yun nga yung tinatawag nating lead time. So, ang tanong kasi dito sa second question is, yun daw maximum level of stocks na pwedeng maabot, no? The maximum level of stock na possible na pwedeng maabot. So, ang mangyayari doon is, from the day na umorder ka, bibilang ka ng araw bago dumating yung in-order mo. Now, for us to compute for the maximum level, ang i-assume nating lead time, yung pinaka-the best, yung minimum lead time, and then, ang i-assume nating usage, yung pinaka-konti. So, pagsasamahin natin yung dalawang scenario. So, that's minimum lead time tsaka minimum usage per day. So, let's continue the solution, the analysis. So, what is the level of inventory before the arrival of new stocks? So, doon sa reorder point, ibabawas mo yung usage during the best scenario of lead time. So, let's substitute. Doon sa sagot natin sa unang tanong kanina, 1,710 units. So, ibabawas mo doon is ilan yung magagamit during minimum lead time na 12 days at minimum usage na 50. So, 1,710 less 12 times 50. So, the answer is 1,110. Yan yung level of stock natin kapag dumating yung bagong batch ng binili nating inventory. So, ang gagawin natin, idadagdag lang po natin yung bagong batch dun sa 1,110. So, if there are 1,110 units, when the ordered 1,750 units arrive, the maximum level of inventory possible is 1,110 plus 1,750. So, that's 2,860, letter B.